Welcome to our Slice Up YouTube channel. Today's program is Power BI in 3 minutes, and today's topic is slicers. Hi, I'm Siva.
Hi, this is Arasu.
Welcome, everyone. Me and Arasu have got about 40 years of experience in data analysis together, and 15 years of which is in Power BI. We have worked in healthcare and manufacturing industry. So we would like to share our knowledge and expertise by giving you quick tips on Power BI. Let's get on with it now.
Thank you, Shiva. That was a nice introduction. So, going to the subject Microsoft Power BI. We are going to start with Slicer. So, just let me know about what is a slicer. Is there any similarity between slicers and filters in Power BI? Or is there any difference in slicers and filters in Power BI?
A slicer is imagine when you cut a slice of cake, a nice delicious rainbow cake, you have several layers of the cake, right? Data is just like that. Imagine a slicer is a table that cuts another table, like a main table. For example, you can have like a date slicer or a year slicer or a product slicer or a customer slicer to cut to see what are your top 5 customers are and what is your year on year product sales and what products you sell, what's your high selling products. So you can slice the data without disturbing the original data. It is very similar to filter, but it's not exactly like a filter. Slicer is much more faster. Slicer and the main data set comes under the concept of dimension modeling, which I'll be covering in a separate video. Imagine a slicer is like a knife to cut the cake. The cake is your data set. If you want to see sales year on year from 2010 to 2020, you can use slicer to do that without affecting the original data. It's a view. And whereas a filter is the actual data set, you're filtering it, which means that once you filter the data is filtered. So you can only see for example, if you filter by the data of 2006, you can only see the 2006 data set. Whereas slicer, you can pick and choose your data, like for example, years and 2006 and 2005, and then you can slice and dice the data in your own fashion. That's the major difference between a slicer and a filter.
Show us visually how to add a slicer and types of slicers, and mainly how to format the slicers.
Yeah, excellent. Let's just get on with it and let's see how we can add a slicer now.